Okay, Patricia, let me see if I can set up a little tutorial here that shows you how to assign your assignments to groups and then weight those groups to get your weighted grade inside your course. So the first thing I'm going to do is tell you to look in your course menu for the assignments link. Now in your menu, it's probably grayed out, but you can still click on it and it's going to take you to this assignments page. And this is going to show you a list of all of the assignments that you currently have inside of Canvas. And you'll notice that I actually already have some groups that are set up. I've got a discussions group, an essays group, I've got an assignments group, which has all these assignments in it. I have a quizzes group. So if I'm looking at my assignments, I see that I have a discussion board, a quiz, a test, an essay, another quiz. And so I want to make sure that all of these are being weighted the way that I have my weights stated in my syllabus. So my advice is that you create your groups so that the groups match what's in your syllabus so that it's very evident to students how things are being weighted and that it matches what they read in the syllabus. I think that's very important. So what I'm going to do is, as I'm looking down through here, it looks like I've got several groups created, but I actually want to create a separate group for my tests. So let me show you how to create a group out here. I'm just going to click the Add Group button, and I'm going to say that I want it to be for tests. And I'm going to click Save. So now you can see that I have a tests group down here. You can also see that I've got it weighted at 0%. Now I could have added a weight in that last window, but I did not. I'm going to actually add the weight later, and I'll show you how to do that. So now what I want to do is I want to make sure these assignments are in the right group so that the grades are being weighted properly. So the discussion board actually needs to go to the discussion group, and the great thing is you can drag and drop these. So I'm just going to drag it up there and place it in my discussion group. Quiz 1 needs to go in the quizzes group. This unnamed quiz can go in the quizzes group as well. Then the essay needs to go to the essay group. And then this other one under assignments is the Canvas test. I'm going to move it to the test group. So that leaves me with this assignments group that currently has nothing in it. But I am going to have assignments in that assignments group as I continue to build out this course. So I want to leave that group right there. If I wanted to get rid of it, I can. I can delete a group by just clicking on these three dots over here on the right hand side and selecting delete, but I'm going to leave assignments there. And then you'll notice that I still have this tests group grouping of assignments that's set at 0%, and I want to change that. So the easiest way to do this, I think, is to go to the very top and click these three dots in the upper right hand corner and click on the assignment groups weight, and you'll see it lists all of my groups, and it also shows the percentage, the weightings for each one of those groups. So right now they're adding up to 100%. I definitely want to make sure I maintain that. So I'm going to change assignments. I'm going to make it worth 20%. And then I'm going to go to tests, and I'm going to make that one worth 20% as well. And then I'm going to save it. And now when it comes back to this page, you'll see that it has the correct weighting on each one of my groups. So for every assignment I put into, let's say the quizzes, let's say I have 10 quizzes in here, they're only going to account for 10% of the total grade. And so you can see how the assignments are set up and how the weighting is set up. And it really is drag and drop. You can do this at the moment when you're creating an assignment. So if you're creating something new, let me just show you if you've got these groups already set up. If I go out here and I say I want to create a new assignment, so I'm just going to create one right here on this page. And I'm going to say, I'm going to call this assignment 1 just for an example. And then you could, of course, put your directions in here. I'm going to have it worth 100 points. And then if you'll come down the assignment group, you'll see is set to discussions, but I actually want this one to go into the assignments assignment group. So I'm going to change it. So right here is where you make that determination as to which group it is going to be in. And then I can go down here and I can do the rest of these selections. I can say it's an on-paper assignment. It's assigned to everybody, and then I can click Save. And when it goes back to that assignments page, let me click on the assignments link. When I go back to that assignments page, you'll now see that assignment 1 is in the assignments group and it's weighted at 20%. I hope this helps explain it. If not, shoot me another email back, and I'll be happy to come over and work with you one on one and see if we can get it figured out.